Hey, 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 hey. Okay, so, I did my earlier video, my part one, but I kind of had to put on a pause, which really sucked for me because I really want to see what's in this mystery box. Yeah. As you, well, if you didn't watch it, go back and watch my other video. I have had these mystery boxes since November, and then I finally got this. And I wanted to wait to open them all together. I mean, maybe I shouldn't have, but and it was a killer for me, but I did. So anyhow, back to the point because I'm squirreling. Um, Everyone's kind of in bed right now because it's like 1 in the morning. In fact, my husband's gonna be up in an hour to go to work. So, yeah. Shh. Everyone be quiet, okay? Alright, so let's open this up. Oh, maybe I don't have to. Or, no, I don't think I have to. I mean, okay. There we go. Now, my other painting. Oh, I was so in love with my other painting. In fact, I got a bonus with my other one. It had, I mean, it was not really my kind of thing, but it was definitely my daughter's kind of thing. 'Cause, wow, it was. And we just lost. Hold on, 1 sec. It was the. Yeah. Hold on. Sorry. I am so sorry. My daughter was hollering at me. Okay, so we got the tweezers, and they are the sharp, pointy kind of things. And of course, you get your drill pen. Actually, you get two, and then you get your basic boat and your wax, and then you get a multi-placer. It looks like this one is. Ooh, I don't know if I've had this one before. Hold on. Okay, normally I don't open up the. Oh, wow. Okay, I like this one. Okay, I'm gonna. I don't know if you can see that. That looks like it might be a 6. Yeah. I'm gonna say that's a 6 placer. I could be wrong, but I'm gonna say it's a 6 placer. I don't use the 6 placers, but I might try it. Right? I like that it's thin. You can see how thin it is. So I definitely might try this one out for sure. Alright, so let's. Oh my gosh. I just totally. Now I know I bummed y'all that time. For sure. Alright, so let's open up this mystery. Um. Oh, this is Aubrey Hepburn. Okay. I like her. She's not my favorite, so will I Will I do this? Probably not. I mean, don't get me wrong. Audrey Hepburn was an amazing actress. But it's not my kind of diamond painting. So, I don't know. In fact, I don't know anyone that does diamond painting. Look, I'm not going to complain. I mean, I know I paid for it, but it's a mystery box, right? So you get what you get, right? So, alright, well, you know, I look at it this way. My first one was awesome. It was like completely badass awesome. You know, there was one that definitely could have went to, or will good. You get it. It will go into my daughter's room because my daughter is so loud and bright and colorful and just bam. I love it. I absolutely love it. And my daughter does too. And then the other one, of course, well, my style, but like I said, not my family style, so it will definitely go into my office. Yeah, I don't know. Anyhow, okay, so I'm gonna let y'all go. I want to thank everyone that has been here with me from the beginning, and thank you to all those that are new. And if you have not subscribed and you're watching this, please hit that subscribe button, do the thumbs up, share my videos, and leave a comment. Anyhow, I'm gonna let you go. I love you all, and don't forget to always smile. Bye.